Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add and use Snapchat lock screen widgets on Android. If you're using an Android phone and you want to add Snapchat lock screen widgets, let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your settings. From here, just look for lock screen settings, just tap on it, and here just tap on edit lock screen, and here you must have to select any icon. Now I'm going to select this icon here, just tap on it, and here you must have to select Snapchat. Now tap on done. Once you have done, you must have to lock your screen and check. You can see there is a Snapchat shortcut on my lock screen. So that's how you can easily use Snapchat on your lock screen. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.